Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the Mullion hinge spring on this GE refrigerator. We'll need a T15 torque screwdriver. Let's get started. The Mullion assembly creates an airtight seal between the two French doors. If it breaks, the doors may not close properly, or cold air may leak from the refrigerator. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. With the left door open, start by flipping the Mullion and removing these two torque screws. Next, rotate this hinge back to gain access to the electrical connector. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Now, firmly press in an upward motion on both hinges to release the Mullion from the door. This may require some force. Next, remove the spring by firmly grasping on the end that is inserted into the Mullion, pushing it out of the hole until it's released, followed by the other end. If you have a bad Mullion hinge spring and need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Reinstall the springs by first inserting the spring into the hinge, then bending and inserting into the Mullion. To install the Mullion, align the slots on the hinges with the door and firmly press down. Now, reconnect the electrical connector by aligning it and pushing until it snaps in place. Next, tuck the wire in the door, flip the hinge closed, and reinstall the two screws. Now, flip the Mullion closed and shut the door. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.